Got another one of my ideas here. Last idea for an invention or an idea to make the world a better place, a safer place, was the sprinkler system for California and states like that to put out the wildfires. Today we got a completely different system, a different topic, about a different issue. And right here I've drawn up everything. As you can see, this is a laser system that would destroy nuclear bombs, hydrogen bombs, and asteroids to protect this. And this system would, that I drew up here, what it would do is it would force North Korea and Iran to the tables. And it would also help make nuclear weapons obsolete, which would be a good thing. It would make the world a safer place if a laser system like mine was implemented, because there'd be no need for the weapons anymore. Alright? The first bombs that were dropped, that was a different situation with Japan, a whole different situation than nowadays. Every situation's different, but that was a different situation. Things were different back then. But this is a laser system, and I'm going to explain how this whole system works here. Okay, right here we got planet Earth, and we have, these are satellites in space, several satellites that NASA and the military have put out in space. We also got cameras out in space, and this is a very expensive project, and these cameras are going to cost billions of dollars, but they're worth it. The satellites too, and what they do is they pick up data, and they pick up bombs, nuclear bombs, and hydrogen, but they also pick up asteroids. Okay, that's what their job is to do. And on the ground, we got a system too, another system that scans everything with radars. Okay, the problem is our system's old and it doesn't work. We need a system like this to fix things. All right, and no sitting president to this day has really implemented or spent the money on a system like this that we really need. To help destroy asteroids and nuclear bombs and hydrogen, to make nuclear weapons obsolete, and to force North Korea and Iran to the negotiating tables. So here we go. Here's the picture of the nuclear bombs being flown, and there's the laser system, and the laser system's pointing down, you see. And what that's going to do is it's going to infiltrate those, and it's going to destroy them above in space, so they can't do anything. And also on the ground, we have this is a test missile. This isn't one. This is just a test. Say hypothetically, North Korea or Iran decided to test a nuke. Well, what the laser system on the Earth would do is, the minute North Korea launched that, or Iran launched it, it would destroy it into pieces before anything would happen. So the test would be a complete failure, because the sophisticated laser system would find it and destroy it like the snap of your finger. And what that would do is it would make North Korea and Iran realize, you know what, my weapons are inferior, because they have a laser system, they can destroy it. And then they keep testing them, the laser system every time destroys them. But also, we expand the laser system. We do a bunch of test drills, simulation battles, and all that, to make sure it's the most sophisticated laser system. So this is my idea. This is my laser system. And what it does is, say Iran, North Korea, or any country wants to test one, it destroys it right away. The minute they launch it, boom, it's destroyed. The laser finds it and destroys it. And most sophisticated system, lasers would be all over. all over the planet, lasers, and all over space. So that's my idea. I think it's a great idea, and it would force those two countries to the table. And it would also make those weapons obsolete, which would be also another great thing that would come out of it. So there's my idea, folks. Comment, subscribe to me on YouTube, and tell me what you think of my laser system. All right, folks.